Now you can discover the simplest and fastest way to get real estate deals with massive profits. If it's so simple and fast, why isn't everyone doing it? What's so special about driving for dollars as a real estate investor? At first glance, it's obvious that driving around looking for abandoned properties is very simple. Ironically, it's also one of the most successful ways of getting investor deals. I'm sure there's hundreds of YouTube videos that explain the process in minute detail. But what if there was a way to get 2 to 5 times more deals driving for dollars than other investors? Most investors attack vacant homes by finding them on their computer search parameters. Some data services supply them to investors, and the MLS used to show them as vacant until burglars got hold of the list. Not every prospect that comes from driving for dollars is a vacant property. We started in real estate in 1975, and virtually the only way we got deals was driving for dollars. There was no MLS except what was published in a newspaper format. Because driving for dollars was so important to us, we took it to a whole new level. Yes, we drove and looked ourselves, but our prospecting didn't stop there. We added an additional 2 steps that got us 2 to 5 times more deals than all the other investors around us. Every investor probably tries driving for dollars or does it by accident. They next send a letter or a series of letters and postcards to the mailing address. In the good old days, this would get the forwarding address of the owner. Not anymore. More sophisticated investors use a skip trace service to find the owner and then send their letters and postcards. Frankly, these tactics work. But what if there were techniques that could get you 2 to 5 times more deals than even advanced investors are getting from the same vacant properties? Well, there are, and I have a complete course for investors wanting to take their driving for dollars to an all-new level. We look back on our personal successes since we started investing back in 1975 and realized we had some very special adaptations as to how we drove for dollars. Except for my mentor students seeing them, they have remained personal secrets. One tactic brought us 4 great wholesale deals in 2 years and cost us less than $1.50. It's revealed in the course. What makes the course so different than what you see everywhere online is that it's composed of 3 distinct levels. Level 1 is somewhat like you can get for free all over YouTube, the most basic techniques. Level 2 contains the advanced tactics that have doubled and tripled our personal success with driving for dollars. Level 3 has only been used by a few advanced investors up till now. You can now get access to all 3 levels and automate your deal finding business even further. It is step-by-step simple, and it's designed to get you finding deals in no time. The best part is we're offering this complete course for $24.97. Why so cheap? Simply because I want to see every new investor have a serious chance to find a deal-producing system where you don't need expensive coaching or mentoring programs to get started. Make money first, and then you can be in control of your destiny. Here's what you get. Part 1 is an introduction video. Part 2, student video interview, resulting in a $42,000 net profit driving for dollars. Part 3, 55-page in-depth step-by-step manual. Part 4, video on the setup of the automation system. Bonus number 1, my personal slides from a live presentation on driving for dollars. Bonus number 2, video about an additional 2 driving for dollars wholesale deals and their HUDs so you can see what the closings looked like. All of this and for only $24.97. Warning, this special offer is for a limited time only and may be withdrawn at any time. Now's the time to grab your copy and start getting deals that can change your life. Now for only $24.97. Click the link on this page now. You'll have instant access to your complete course. I'm Dave Dinkle, and I wish you limitless success in all that you do.